Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. I'm your host, FD4Sage5.tv, with another update to our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge. This is one of the two public portfolios we share with our community to see if the projects we've selected for investment, in this case, we've invested $2,500 to see if we can manage that portfolio all the way up to 100K. Is that possible? Of course, but time will be the judge of that. So without further ado, we are going to be sharing with you the price changes between the previous week and the current week, see if our portfolio has been moving up or down, and also consider the current state of the markets. So without further ado, let's jump into the 20 projects we've invested and see where things are. So starting with Fala Network and the PHA token, the price for the PHA token this week is sitting at 10.7 cents. Our portfolio is now valued at $107.45. Week on week, we are slightly up by 13.9%, and overall, we are up 0.3%. Next is Oasis Network and the ROS token. The price for the ROS token this week is sitting at 4.2 cents. Our portfolio is now valued at $85.45. Week on week, we are slightly down by 3.5%, and overall, we are down 31.8%, which makes Oasis Network and the ROS token one of the worst performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge. We move on to Efinity and the EFI token. The price for the EFI token this week is sitting at 5.5 cents. Our portfolio is now valued at $188.96. Week on week, we are slightly up by 0.7%, and overall, we are down 47.6%, which makes Efinity and the EFI token one of the worst performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge. Next is the Graph and the GRT token. The price for the GRT token this week is sitting at 8.7 cents. Our portfolio is now valued at $89.01. Week on week, we are slightly down by 0.8%, and overall, we are down 11%. Next is Star Atlas and the Atlas token. The price for the Atlas token this week is sitting at 1.5 cents. Our portfolio is now valued at $92.54. Week on week, we are slightly down by 0.7%, and overall, we are down 52.4%, which makes Star Atlas and the Atlas token one of the worst performing positions within our 15K to 600K portfolio challenge. We move on to Minswap and the Mint token. The price for the Mint token this week is sitting at 1.6 cents. Our portfolio is now valued at $59.74. Week on week, we are slightly up 1%, and overall, we are down 40.4%, which makes Minswap and the Mint token one of the worst performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge for the week. We move on to Trader Joe and the Joe token. The price for the Joe token this week is sitting at 24.8 cents. Our portfolio is now valued at $81.21. Week on week, we are up 3.6%, and overall, we are still down 34.6%, which makes Trader Joe and the Joe token one of the worst performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge for the week. We move on to Iagon and the IAG token. The price for the IAG token this week is sitting at 4.3 cents. Our portfolio is now valued at $428.20. Week on week, we are down a massive 22.7%, and overall, we are now up 228.3%, which makes Iagon and the IAG token the best performing position within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge. This is despite the highest drop for the week of 22.7%, so Iagon still standing strong for us within this portfolio. Next is Thorchain and the RUNE token. The price for the RUNE token this week is sitting at $1.95. Our portfolio is now valued at $103.18. Week on week, we are up 8.1%, and overall, we are down 3.3%. Next is ImmutableX and the IMX token. The price for the IMX token this week is sitting at 57.6 cents. Our portfolio is now valued at $57.70. Week on week, we are down 13.2%, and overall, we are down 48.4%, which makes ImmutableX and the IMX token one of the worst performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge for the week. Next is Polkadex and the PDEX token. The price for the PDEX token this week is sitting at 68.1 cents. Our portfolio is now valued at $43.87. Week on week, we are down 3.1%, and overall, we are down 59%, which makes Polkadex and the PDEX token one of the worst performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge. We move on to World Mobile token and the WMT token. The price for the WMT token this week is sitting at 12.3 cents. Our portfolio is now valued at $53.88. Week on week, we are up 13.1%, and overall, we are still down 46.3%, which makes World Mobile and the WMT token one of the worst performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge. We move on to Kilt protocol and the Kilt token. The price for the Kilt token this week is sitting at 28.4 cents. Our portfolio is now valued at $39.52. Week on week, we are up 8.7%. 0.7%, and overall we are still down 61.3%, which makes Kilt protocol and the Kilt token one of the worst performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge for this week. We then move on to Akala network and the ACA token. The price for the ACA token this week is sitting at 4.9 cents. Our portfolio is now valued at $25.09. Week on week we are up 5.6%, and overall we are down 79.4%, which makes Akala network and the ACA token one of the worst performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge for the week. Next is Sunday swap and the Sunday token. The price for the Sunday token this week is sitting at 0.8 cents. Our portfolio is now valued at $25.92. Week on week we are down 5.8%, and overall we are down 76.9%, which makes Sunday swap and the Sunday token one of the worst performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge for the week. Holoride and the right token is next. The price for the right token this week is sitting at 1.4 cents. Our portfolio is now valued at $8.17. Week on week we are down 9%, and overall we are down 92%, which makes Holoride the worst performing position within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge for the week. Next is NearProtocol and the Near token. The price for the Near token this week is sitting at $1.10. Our portfolio is now valued at $22. Week on week we are down 2.5%, and overall we are down 79.6%, which makes NearProtocol and the Near token one of the worst performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge for the week. Next is Blockchain Monster Hand and the BCMC token. The price for the BCMC token this week is sitting at 0.3 cents. Our portfolio is now valued at $17.44. Week on week we are up 1%, and overall we are down 83%, which makes Blockchain Monster Hand and the BCMC token one of the worst performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge. Next is Pangolin and the PNG token. The price of PNG token this week is sitting at 1.8 cents. Our portfolio is now valued at $38.70. Week on week we are down 2.1%, and overall we are down 65%, which makes Pangolin and the PNG token one of the worst performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge. Finally, it's Moonbeam and the Glimmer token to close this week's segment update, and the price for the Glimmer token this week is sitting at 24.1 cents. Our portfolio is now valued at $24.08. Week on week we are up a massive 47.5%, and overall we are still down 84.6%, which makes Moonbeam network and the Glimmer token one of the worst performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge. There you have it, folks. Our portfolio this week is now valued at $1,592.11 versus last week's total of $1,690.48. So week on week we are down 5.8%. Overall, a further decline from last week's 32.4%. Now it's 36.3% down. So this portfolio is reflecting what's happening out there with the wider crypto market, but 36.3% so far, not as bad as it could get. What do you guys think? Do you think this portfolio has got the staying power? And which of the projects within this portfolio are your favorites? Let us know in the comment section, and if you are new, please consider subscribing to our channel. Until the next video, I'm your host, FD for Sage5.tv, signing out for now. Bye.